Hello friends, welcome to Otica Healthcare Private Limited. Today we are going to demonstrate an unbox of Otica made VeinHunter Pro. This is the latest version of the LED based vein finder. This vein finder is widely used nowadays and this is a professional type of vein finder. This vein finder is day-to-day useful in the market, in the hospital, in the laboratories and in the clinics. This device is very useful nowadays because of the obesity of the various patients and the patient having the issue with the vein puncture or a multiple vein puncture during the process of phlebotomy. So it comes with various kinds of accessories. This is the power cable, this is the charger, then this is the main unit. This is the company has given the extra viewing glass. This will be helpful in the future when the given glass has some scratches over it after the few years of use. And company has given two types of tourniquet to make the machine comfortable fit to the patient's skin. So this is the VeinHunter, where you can see the main on off switch is here on the right side, and on the other portion there is a charging cable input, and there are two other switches over here. One is for orange LED and the other is for red LED, and on the top they have given two LEDs. The bottom LED is the battery indicator. Whenever you will switch on, it will indicate as a green. Whenever there is a low battery, it will indicate as a red. So you have to charge. And the upper LED is for the charging. When you will put the machine on the charging, it will blink as a red, and after the charging finishes, it will glow as a green. So this is the device. Company has given two different kind of tourniquet. One is the small in size, and you have to insert the tourniquet from here. During the use, this tourniquet has been given with the device to grab the hand properly, and you don't need an extra tourniquet. You just need to bind here and you have to insert it from here, and you can tie the vein finder something like this. So this is how the vein finder, or we can say VeinHunter Pro device, is coming with these accessories and different type of accessories given by the company. Thank you for watching.